Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix we can't install this printer right now in Windows. Type Control Panel in Windows search bar. Click Control Panel. Select View by small icons. Click Devices and Printers. Select your printer. Click Remove Device. Click Yes to continue. Type printmanagement.msc in Windows search bar. Click Print Management. Click All Drivers. Select your printer. Click Delete. Click Yes to continue. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.